Greetings, health and wellness enthusiasts, and thank you for joining us on the Healthy You channel. Dental hygiene and flossing may not be the most brightest of topics of discussion, but a smile can certainly light up a room. It can make you feel confident and happy. Smiling can literally elevate your inner frequency of peace, harmony, and joy. Not only of importance to your smile, but did you know that taking care of your teeth and gums is super important for your overall health? It's true. When you have good dental hygiene, you're not just keeping your smile beautiful, you're also protecting your body from all sorts of problems. So, let's embark on an exciting adventure into the world of dental hygiene and discover the secrets to a lifetime of healthy, happy smiles. Be sure to stick around towards the end when we reveal our personally tried, tested, and confirmed 100% effective #1 top dental hygiene tip. Your mouth is like a bustling city, teeming with life. Microscopic bacteria live on your teeth and gums, and while some are good, others can cause trouble. When you eat sugary foods or don't brush properly, these bad bacteria throw a party in your mouth, producing acids that attack your teeth and gums. Over time, this can lead to cavities, gum disease, and even tooth loss. Yuck! But don't worry, there's good news. By practicing good dental hygiene, you can keep these troublemakers in check and maintain a healthy balance in your mouth. Brushing your teeth is like giving your mouth a refreshing shower. It removes food particles, plaque, and bacteria that can harm your teeth and gums. But remember, brushing is an art. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Brush gently in circular motions for 2 minutes, twice a day. Don't forget to brush your tongue too. It harbors bacteria that can cause bad breath. Brushing alone can't reach all the nooks and crannies between your teeth, which is where flossing comes in. Flossing is like using a tiny squeegee to remove food debris and plaque from those tight spaces where your toothbrush can't reach. Think of it as giving your teeth a thorough cleaning from top to bottom. There are many different types of floss available, so you can find one that suits your needs. Traditional nylon floss comes in waxed and unwaxed varieties. If you have tight spaces between your teeth, try dental tape or floss picks. Water flossers use a stream of water to clean between your teeth and can be helpful for people with braces or bridges. You should floss at least once a day, ideally at night before bedtime. Flossing before brushing allows the fluoride in your toothpaste to reach between your teeth and provide extra protection. But hey, if you prefer to floss in the morning, that's great too. The most important thing is to make flossing a regular part of your routine. Want to take your dental hygiene to the next level? Here are some simple and practical tips. Use a timer. 2 minutes can feel like a long time when you're brushing, so use a timer to make sure you're brushing for the full recommended time. You can even simply stream music or catch up on a favorite podcast while you brush. Don't forget your gums. When brushing, angle your brush towards your gum line to remove plaque and bacteria. Gently massage your gums to improve circulation. Floss like a pro. Use a C-shaped motion to hug each tooth with the floss, sliding it up and down gently. Don't snap the floss between your teeth, as this can damage your gums. Visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups are crucial for maintaining good oral health. Your dentist can spot problems early on and provide professional cleanings that you can't get at home. Eat a healthy diet. Limit sugary snacks and drinks that can feed the bad bacteria in your mouth. Instead, opt for tooth-friendly foods like fruits, vegetables, cheese, and yogurt. Taking care of your teeth and gums is an investment in your overall health and well-being. By following these simple tips and making dental hygiene a part of your daily routine, you can enjoy a lifetime of healthy, happy smiles. And our all-time favorite dental hygiene tip: following a complete floss and brush with toothpaste, finish up with a dental wash consisting of 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small cup mixed with a small amount of hydrogen peroxide. Just enough to cover the baking soda. Add a small amount of water, but no more than the amount of hydrogen peroxide. Give one last thorough brush and rinse. and this will kill 99% of all bacteria in your mouth. And more so, you will wake up with absolutely no bad morning breath ever again. But the best part of all is that if you practice this daily, once or twice per day, you are more than likely to never get another cavity again, and your dentist will probably hate you for it. Remember, a smile is your best accessory, so let it shine bright. Thanks for joining us on Healthy You. We hope you found this information useful, and most importantly, we ask that you share this video with others to help inform those in the world around you and beyond. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, stay healthy, and smile big.